Just got a new pair of AirPods Pro and not sure what size of tips you should be using? Because AirPods Pro have active noise cancellation, making sure you have the proper fit of ear tips is important to ensure the noise cancellation can work properly while having the buds be as comfortable as possible. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to conduct an ear tip fit test with your AirPods Pro. Now let's get started. The AirPods Pro have useful internal sensors that can tell if the buds are fitting properly inside your ears. To start the fitting process, first make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone and insert the buds into your ears. Then open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now select Bluetooth. Tap the I button beside your AirPods Pro in the device list. Now tap Ear Tip Fit Test. To start the test, tap Continue. Now tap the Play button. You should now hear a test sound playing through the AirPods. This will test the audio quality and the noise cancellation. After the sound plays, you'll see the fit test results appear on your screen. If the size of tips you're using fit properly, you'll see a good seal result. If not, you'll see a recommendation to try adjusting the placement or try a different size tip. To remove the ear tips you currently have on, squeeze the tip on either side and pull to remove. To place on the new tip size you want to test, simply line up the tip with the earbud and push until it snaps into place. Insert the buds back into your ears and tap the play button on your screen to see if these tips fit better. If you've now selected the proper size, you'll see a good seal result for both sides. That's all it takes to conduct an ear tip fit test on your AirPods Pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.